Hey there, welcome back to Wireless Solutions, a channel where we make tech tricks simple and fun. Today, I am going to show you how to navigate the brand new Photos app in iOS 18. Apple completely redesigned it, and instead of different tabs or pages, you now get one long scrolling screen. Sounds a little confusing? Don't worry, I will break it down step by step. Here's an overview of what we will cover. Step 1. Open Photos and understand the layout. Step 2. Browse your photo library. Step 3. Sort, filter, and adjust your view. Step 4. Search, select, and share. Step 5. Explore collections. Step 6. Customize what you see. Step 7. Enjoy new features. And let's dive right in. Step number 1. Open Photos and understand the layout. When you open Photos, you will notice your photo library is at the top. And as you scroll down, you will find collections like people and pets, memories, trips, albums, and more. Think of it as one continuous page. Once you realize that, everything feels much easier to navigate. Step number 2. Browse your photo library. Scroll up and you will see all your photos. The oldest at the top, newest at the bottom. You will also see buttons appear at the bottom. All photos, months, and years. This lets you quickly jump through time without endless scrolling. Tap a year, drill down to a month, and you are exactly where you need to be. Step number 3. Sort, filter, and adjust your view. You can make your library super organized. Tap Sort to rearrange by recently added. Use Filter if you only want to see videos, edited photos, or favorites. Under View Options, you can zoom in or out, switch between a square grid or aspect ratio grid, and even hide things like screenshots or shared photos. Step number 4. Search, select, and share. At the top, the search button is still here. Type anything to instantly find photos. Tap Select to grab multiple pictures at once. You can tap and drag across photos, then share, move, or delete them. Easy. Step number 5. Explore collections. Scroll down and you'll see different sections. Present days, albums, people, and theme collections. Each one works the same way. Swipe left and right to preview, or tap the label to see the full list. Albums let you create new ones. People groups familiar faces, and theme collections keep quick categories like favorites, screenshots, or videos. Step number 6. Customize what you see. The best part? It is all customizable. Scroll to the very bottom and tap Customize and Reorder. You can drag sections up or down, hide the ones you don't need, and even move albums to the very top if that is what you use most. Want a super simple setup? Just pin your favorite sections and hide the rest. Step number 7. Enjoy new features. iOS 18 also adds smart collections like trips, memories, featured photos, and wallpaper suggestions. These are automatically created for you. If you like Apple's auto organization, you will love them. If not, just hide them and stick to your own albums. Either way, you are in full control. So that is the new Photos app in iOS 18. One long scrolling page, completely customizable, and packed with powerful tools. Once you set it up the way you like, it is much easier to manage your memories. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and drop a comment with what you'd like me to cover next. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.